Ano natatandaan nyo?
Eh di, yung binabaon niya ng 10 cent, isang araw, ibabayad sa jeep. Hindi niya binabayad, naglalakad lang siya. Para yung 10 cent, ikikip niya, iniipon niya araw-araw.
Ano gagawin?
Bumili siya ng, ako niya bumili ng ballpen. Bumili, bumili. Eh di yung pera ko binabaon, ipang ko.
You have to translate for the kids, Cece.
See,
Tagpi-tagpi.
Yo.
Sabi ko,
listen.
sabi ko sa ako,
She
bumili
starts
niya.
saying a story
Sabi,
about
mahal
the
yan.
community.
Sabi niya kung na 50 yan Saan kuha ng pera? Hindi yung iniipon ko. Dala pa rito yung short na inipulay, matibay Tugtog ko.
Hanapin mo ngayon
It's
yun.
a Gucci shirt.
Okay, translate now.
So she gets only 10 cents allowance.
10 cents allowance. I keep it. I have to pay 5 cents to ride the jeepney, but
To go to
then
school.
to go to school. But it's 5 cents. It will cost me 5 cents. Then I'm gonna have only 5 cents left. So what I do, I just walk. It's 3 miles.
Yeah, it's
I
like
walk
from
3
here
miles to
to,
school, from
from
our
to
house to
PCH.
school.
From here to
And then I
PCH.
keep the 10 cents and I buy my projects with that, So 10 cents in 5 days is 50 cents. So I can buy my projects, my papers, ball pen.
And then one day you came home with a short.
Yeah.
Kaya sa tanang buhay ko, hindi ko akalain na makarating ako sa Amerika.
But
Kahirap-hirap pa naman ang buhay namin. Paano kami makakarating sa Amerika?
she didn't expect she'll ended up here in America.
Nanganak pa naman ako sa kuya mo, galisin pa. Puno-puno ng galis ang ulo, tsaka mukha, tsaka
Akala ko,
Esther, yung bata, huwag mo ipaglalahad sa kalsada. Maya ka sa tao, hanggang sa isang tambak.
Kuya ko,
Kuya mo, ginalis na yun.
kuya, hindi, kuya,
Ay, nasa
ito,
ibaba tayo namin.
Cece,
Ang pangit pa.
Cece,
Kaya pala pangit
can you
ako.
translate now?
Sabi ko,
Because the kids are just sitting here waiting.
Oh, Nanay, the first child, which is Papa Rino,
siya,
was born
nihan.
with a lot of
Siya, nihan. Kaya
Rashes.
nagkakatawanan.
rashes.
Sabi ko,
Aha.
pagkahirap-hirap
And the people said,
nanganak pa naman ako.
don't take her out
Yung anak
because
ko.
it's embarrassing. She has a lot of rashes.
Oh.
wounds, open up,
So you're thinking
raw,
of dark.
skin, raw,
You're thinking about a
raw
dark
skins.
baby with all this stuff on his face, on his skin. And she's saying that she works in a farm and
Kaya ubos
she
ng
can't take
hirap.
her child in the farm because
Ng hirap.
So,
Naibi ka
Yeah.
na lang, nung fourth year high school na mag-naibi ka na. Nakawala naman ako hiling mag-naibi nagtrabaho. Tapos lang ng high school. Hindi na kaya trabaho, nahirapan. Nag-apply sa Navy. Natawagan naman sa Navy. Lahat ng requirement na hiningi, meron naman, nakapasa. Nakapag-Navy. Ayun.
sinawa ng tatagalan.
Then our life
Tuloy na
changed.
nga, nagtrabaho na nga.
Life change for what?
Because Kuya was,
Hindi talaga.
Decided to join the
yeah,
Navy.
decided to join the
Talagang
Navy.
sa kahirapan
Tatay
din.
was keep on
Talagang
pushing him, but he doesn't want to join the
nakaraos
Navy.
din talaga sa
Eventually,
kahirapan.
since he realized, yeah, well, this is the only way to improve our life financially. So he decided to join the Navy,
Sa hirap ng buhay
and that's
ko eh.
when I started to dream about going to college. Before they said, no, you cannot go to college, you don't have money.
Nakarating na ng Amerika eh.
So Kuya
Kaya
provided
hindi pa ako
for us.
nakakalakad. Gusto ko sana eh. Makarating ako sa hindi ko pa nararating.
Yeah.
Gusto kong makita yung lugar na hindi ko nakikita. Gusto kong makain yung mga pagkain, hindi ko naman natitikman. Nakikita ko pero hindi naman ako nakakabili. Paano ko matitikman? Eh wala.
So Nanay wish about
Since she was praying about that, she was before she came over here.
the wishes.
Sukatan na awaan, Diyos sa akin nakalakad naman at nakating na Amerika eh. Pagdating ko na Amerika eh. Maghapon ako pinasya ng kuya, may kung bumili ng manok eh. Sige, sa raw manok kayo, ubusin namin yun. Sige, sa manok. Yung manok na maliliit.
She was wishing, she was praying that I want to go.
Tama sa akin, sa
She wanted to go to
hindi.
places where she hasn't gone before, to eat food that she hasn't tasted. And then finally, she ended up staying here to America.
Disneyland.
Was able to see places,
Mas
eat
grabe
food
pa.
that she was not able, she cannot eat.
Magic Mountain.
Her dream came
Kung
true.
saan pa ng pasyalan,
Kuya
lahat.
took her
Pinasama,
everywhere,
lahat.
every places for, you know,
Kaya, ay, salamat. Sabi ko, nakita ko na lahat ang mga lahat na hindi ko nakita ko. Doon ako tuwan sa ulan na. Iba-ibang kulay eh. Ngayon ko nga lang nakita itong ulan na ito na.
The water works.
the water, there's like, you know, when it shoots up and then there's different
No, no, no.
colors. She said, oh, that was my first time seeing it. So she was so happy to see
Alayan mo
it.
sa tanang buhay ko ngayon, nakita ko yun.
Eh, di, nagpapasalamat kayo, nakita niyo si Peter.
Hindi naman. Hindi naman.